5 Simple and quick ways to make additional money at home. Making some more money on the side doesn't have to require as much effort as you would think it would. I can tell you from personal experience that it requires a fair amount of action, since I've been working on generating revenue online for close to 20 years. Nevertheless, there are many distinct ways to go ahead. At the end of the day, everything comes down to the objectives you have set for yourself and how you want to automate certain aspects of your income. Would you be able to earn an additional $200 each month? Sure. What would you do with another $1,000 each month? In what ways might this affect your life? It would have a significant impact on the majority of people. Nevertheless, what if we talked hundreds or tens of thousands of dollars more each month? What kind of changes would it bring about in how your life unfolds? One may earn money via the use of the internet. You only need to determine how much of your time you are willing to invest in it. Even if we all have some additional time, we seldom get the impression that we have. On the other hand, making some extra money here and there doesn't need excessive work. We are not talking about millions of dollars here. Rather, the focus will be on working on manageable projects in size and scope to create some quick income. Depending on the skill set you already possess, you might easily earn a few $100s or perhaps a few $1,000s on the side each month. 1. Become a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you may quickly generate money working from the comfort of your own home by assisting other people with their work. Becoming a virtual assistant provides a low-friction entry point into the digital services business. If you are highly organized and manage your time well, this career path may be right. Regardless of where you now call home, you can simply carry out these activities if you work remotely. Websites such as Upwork, Indeed.com, and Remote.co makes it simple to look for employment opportunities in virtual assistants. Conduct research on the jobs that have already been listed and submit bids. You'll need strong communication skills and proficiency in English and many corporate software tools and prominent digital platforms. 2. Trade cryptocurrency. Our money adapts to the changing landscape of the digital world. What was once a new concept just a day ago is quickly becoming the most popular monetary exchange form. According to the results of a survey conducted by Gallup in 2016, 10% of respondents said that cash was their favorite mode of payment, down from 19% in 2011. Even though Bitcoin has only been around for a short while, it has quickly become the industry standard. Even though Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two most prominent platforms for cryptocurrencies at the moment, the United States dollar will one day be transformed into a digital currency thanks to blockchain technology. Trading platforms like eToro and Kraken, amongst many others, allow users to capitalize on the recent surge in the value of cryptocurrencies. This presents an opportunity for investors. 3. Sell services on Fiverr. Since its debut, Fiverr has seen remarkable growth. These days, it's a massive marketplace where you can offer just about any service provided under the sun. This is wonderful for those interested in making money online as a digital nomad or even when you are lounging about in your jammies and working on your laptop at home. Specifically, what kinds of things can you sell on Fiverr? Everything from graphics and design services to digital marketing, writing and translation services, video and animation services, music and audio services, programming and application development services, business services, and lifestyle services from celebrity impressions to gaming. 4. Launch an e-commerce site. Growth in e-commerce is phenomenal. Even while Amazon gets the lion's share of the market, customers buy in droves whenever there is a chance to take advantage of enticing deals. Some of the most successful internet marketers, like Neil Patel, Frank Kern, Dean Graziosi, David Sharp, and John Reese, are employing free plus shipping e-commerce and book funnels to generate tiny fortunes for themselves and their businesses. This relates back to implementing sales funnels inside an e-commerce setting. A large portion of what people believe to be true about conventional online retail shops, such as the assumption that they take months or even years to construct and cost a small fortune, is inaccurate. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an entrance point into selling things online with a shallow entry barrier. Even though you will need some kind of customer base to offer these goods or services to, you still have the potential to bring in a sizable income while working from the comfort of your own home. Some certain goods and services have very high revenues per click. This indicates that if you play your cards well and direct people to specific offerings, you can simply make a substantial profit on conversions. However, you must ensure that you target the appropriate interests. Affiliate marketing opportunities may be found on various websites, including ClickBank, CJ.com, and Rakuten Linkshare, amongst many others. You should look around for the appropriate deal, make sure it is presented to the relevant audience, and refrain from sending unsolicited messages to individuals about it. Ethically conduct your business.